Okay, so I was really amazed when I got this product because it's really light and it works so well just for under $40. I was amazed. And the ring is about 5 inches, which is how big my hand is. It has about, I think, yes, 3 different settings. And you can even lower the brightness if you want. I am in love. I love it.
Okay, overall, I'm really good with my package. 2 of them came in perfect condition, except for the third one. The third one kind of got a little banged up on the corners, and it kind of got squished a little bit. And I opened it up and I checked, because I recently have been getting some twin packs, and there's only one inside. But these 2 are in perfect condition. I just open them like this, so it's convenient to just take one out and load into the camera. But when I got them, this one was just squished, which didn't affect it now until I load it up into my camera, which I will. In the meantime, overall, I guess 3.5 out of 5. But yeah, these are pretty good. I just ordered one, and I got that recently, and that one came in good condition as well. Overall, 3.5 out of 5.